and you're buying all this stuff, and you're skipping to buy this. Like, this gray, 18% gray card is a cheat code. It can help you with your white balance, and it can help you with your exposure for skin tones. Okay? So stop buying the new cage. Stop buying the new DJI mic set. Stop buying the new dopest backpack from Peter McKinnon and tripods and all this stuff. Buy this. When you buy your camera, the same day you buy your camera, make sure you have an order of this 18% gray card. Don't skip the process. Okay? And then you'll be looking at people's videos on YouTube and you'll be like, damn, why my stuff don't look like that? Because the guys on YouTube are using things like this and they're using color checkers. Okay? So you want to be ahead of the race, hombre? Go get a white balance, an 18% gray card. You can white balance on it and you can expose on it. All right? And before you do any video or record anybody or yourself, the first thing you do is pull this out before you do anything. Okay? When you're white balancing and you're exposing, make sure your assist LUT is off. Okay? 95%. So all this shit turns with zebras. Okay? And if you want to white balance correctly, if you go into the white balance settings, slide over from Kelvin to PRE, and then when you hit PRE, right on the bottom of it, you'll see like a paint logo. You hit that, and it pulls up the little box that it can take a picture of the thing, and then bing pow boom ding flick it down to you all ning ning. Go get an 80% gray card, man. Stop playing.